Thanks for being a supporter of the channel. So, let's get started with the Helium-10 tutorial. Let's just get this out of the way. I no longer use Jungle Scout and now utilize Helium-10. Jungle Scout may still be useful, but Helium-10 is just more powerful, with more and better tools. Instead of buying Jungle Scout, spend your money somewhere else. Okay, so before I start, if you want a much longer version where I go into actual research using Helium-10 X-Ray, I'm going to talk about what X-Ray is. Helium-10's got some crazy names, so be aware of that. But if you want a longer video, it's like an hour-long product research session where I actually find like $10,000 per month of products. Wait until I publish it. This video is presently being produced and will be available shortly. I'm not talking about other guru videos that are fake gurus that have popped up and gotten a lot of views, and they're just using bad search engine data to get go. Hey, this is a good strategy. Like, no, I did actual research using Helium-10 X-Ray, which I'll break down in a second. Like real research on Amazon.com, looking at products and running real data. So, go watch that for a more in-depth, full-length, hour-long version of me conducting product research and actually discovering 2 products that would be very nice to launch and can make $10,000 a month. So, while we're jumping into this here, and by the way, that's this video right here that I just clicked into. If you scroll down into the description of the video that I just clicked into, or the one that you're watching right now, you'll see a Helium-10 link. Use that to get started with the program that I'll be talking about in this video. Just wanted to be transparent and wanted to tell you that I do not earn any affiliate commission for this purchase. To be honest, I don't do much affiliate marketing on my YouTube channel, and so you shouldn't expect any affiliate links unless it's for a product that I truly use. Okay, so here is the Helium-10 homepage. If you look right here and hover over Tools, you'll see a drop-down menu that lists all of the different tools, including the ones I'm going to show you right now. On X-Ray, I might show you Black Box, Cerebro, and probably just do them as a kind of the primary ones, but let's get to the main ones first, the ones that you definitely need to start doing product research on Amazon. These are the ones you must find in order to launch and sell things on Amazon. The X-Ray tool, which is this one here, is the first one you'll need for that. The Helium-10 Chrome extension is the counterpart of the Jungle Scout Chrome extension. This is the tool you'll use on Amazon.com to pull up a plethora of information on the product, such as if it's selling, how many units are selling at what price, and so on. That's something I'll show you right now. Okay, and then there's this blue icon top-up. If I click it and then select X-Ray, I'll get the Helium-10 X-Ray tool, which gathers all of the relevant information about these products from this page into one box for you to sort and examine. So, we looked for highlighters, and the main thing you want to use this box for, and don't get confused by all the other stuff, is to find high demand and low competition. What I mean by high demand is that there are several sellers of a certain kind of product making a bunch of sales of that product, and why that's important is because it tells you that there's a lot of people interested in that product. If you want to know if people buy this product or not, you can already prove it to yourself by looking at data and looking at how many sales the sellers of the product are making. So if you look at this column right here, so these first top ones here with the SPS are sponsored. And so you can use this side column to just click those away. I want to be looking at organic results, like how these products are ranking organically in the search. I don't want to see paid stuff mixed in with the data, so I click those away. Now it's pulled them in, and the order is in the order that they're ranked on the page. The first thing we want to look at is sales, and we want to see a lot of sales. So if we look at the sales column right here, we'll see that this first one here is selling 10,000 of these per month. Next one, 8,000, 7,000, 6,000. That's amazing. This product is in high demand on Amazon, so you should start looking there. Okay, I can sell this stuff on Amazon and make a profit? Some factors to consider at this point are what kind of product it is and whether or not it's patented. For example, if Sharpies are patented, you won't be able to sell them. Another thing to keep in mind is that you don't want to sell things that compete directly with already well-known brands, which is exactly what we're looking at here, so just on that basis, I'd say this is a no-go. Skip over this and move back doing further product research. This one isn't going to work for you because the other brands you'd be competing against are Sharpie big. Guys, that about concludes part 1. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe. Enjoy!